Welcome to this course on designing enterprise data architecture and managing data operations. In today's data-driven world, organizations rely on robust data architecture to manage, integrate, and secure their data effectively. Also, efficient enterprise data operations ensure that data is accessible and reliable. As a result, the skills to design, manage, and optimize enterprise data systems are more valuable than ever. Take this hands-on course if you want to skill up your knowledge and ability to design data strategies and architecture for enterprises effectively. This course suits all aspiring data architects, engineers, database administrators, and system architects seeking to enhance their skills to design, implement, and manage efficient and scalable enterprise data architecture and optimize their organization's data systems and operations. For you to succeed in this course, you should have fundamental knowledge of data engineering concepts, including SQL querying, relational database management systems, RDBMS, ETL processes, data pipelines, and data integration practices. You should also be familiar with data integration and data storage concepts, along with a basic awareness of data governance principles and regulatory frameworks. In this course, you will learn to design, manage, and modernize enterprise data systems. You'll explore the core components of enterprise data architecture, or EDA, the key data models, and industry standard frameworks such as TOGAF and Zachman. You'll also explore data migration strategies, system modernization techniques, and emerging technologies, preparing you to lead data transformation initiatives and adapt to the evolving digital landscape. With hands-on labs, you'll gain practical knowledge in ETL processes, data ops practices, and lifecycle management, helping you understand how these insights provide a strong foundation for managing data operations. Each module has one or more hands-on labs. These labs reinforce the instructional videos by applying what you've learned in realistic project scenarios. Lab topics include preparing a flowchart for the consolidation of data infrastructure, preparing a data model for a transaction processing system, creating an EDA blueprint, drafting a data retention policy for an oil exploration company, redesign a schema for OLTP database, and migrating an RDBMS schema to a NoSQL database. Then, in the final module, you'll integrate all the skills learned throughout the course in a culminating project by evaluating the existing and designing a new enterprise data architecture for a power utility. You will learn how to design, manage, and modernize enterprise data architectures through instructional videos reinforced by hands-on labs. You can assess your learning with practice and graded quizzes and strengthen your knowledge with reference materials such as glossaries. A culminating practice and final project in this course provide you with the opportunity to apply your knowledge to design a new enterprise data architecture. You can readily share this project in your portfolio with potential employers to highlight your talents. Also, there is a lot to cover here. We're very happy to have you with us as you start your designing enterprise data architecture and managing data operations journey. Let's get started.